Hi students, this is Jyoti Miss, your computer teacher. Children, we are learning the second lesson, that is memory. Okay, this lesson explanation I finished. Now I am going to give notes today for this lesson. Okay, in last class I explained this activity. Okay, see here, which one is the here some questions are given about this secondary memory devices. Now we will see and we have to tick mark. Floppy disk, hard disk, CD-ROM and pen drive. Which one is the cheapest? Floppy disk. Can only be written once. CD-ROM. Is popular these days and has no moving parts. Pen drive. Are of two types, fixed and portable hard disk. Okay children, you do this activity in your textbook. Now see page number 20, answer time. Here given section A, tick write the correct option. Multiple choice question and answers are given. Now I will explain this one. See first one, 8 bits make up a byte. Which one is volatile memory? Hard disk. It is a type of ROM in which the recorded information can be erased by exposing it to ultraviolet light. EPROM. These have become obsolete now. Floppy disk. Obsolete means not seeming. Means disappearing. Okay. Which media would you use to play as HD movie on computer? Blu-ray. Okay. Next, it can hold 25 to 50 GB of data. Blu-ray. Okay, this is about the multiple choice question and answers. Now coming to fill in the blanks. First one, dash are the commands that all computer how to work on the given data. Instructions. Next, a dash is the smallest chunk of information a computer can work with. Bit. Next, see children, third blank. Dash is a memory chip that is generally installed by the manufacturer of the computer during the process of manufacturing the motherboard. ROM. ROM. Almost every computer has a fixed hard disk. RAM is dash memory, volatile memory. Next, see question and answers. 4 question and answers are given. First one is, what are the two types of primary memory? For this question answer, see children, page number 20. In brief is there, no? There. See fourth point. Primary memory is classified into two types, random access memory RAM and read-only memory ROM. So this is the first question answer. Next, what is the use of secondary memory for a computer? For this question, see page number 17. Secondary memory is there, no? From here onwards to this full paragraph you should write. Okay? From here onwards to this is secondary storage devices. This full memory you should write. This is the second question answer. Next, what is the third question children? Name the 3 types of ROM. For this question answer, see page number 17. There are different types of ROM. From here onwards, this full EEPROM, this full point is there, no? In electrically erasable PROM, the recorded information or data can be erased by electrical signals up to here. From here onwards to electrical signals. This is third question answer. Next, fourth question answer. Can we transfer data from a flash device to a computer which does not have USB port? Yes, we can. Just you write like this. This is the fourth question answer. Next, see children, hearts. Hearts you write. See, hearts you write as a fifth question. Okay, don't write, put a special heading for this. Right? Here are 4 questions are there now. Write this question as a fifth question. So what is this? Floppy disks have become too obsolete today. Think of some reasons due to which must have happened. Which this must have happened due to less storage capacity, lack of quality. You write this is as the answer, fifth question answer. Okay. Next, see, next is another activity time. What is the full form of the following abbreviations? These all full forms are in textbook. You search and write these full forms here, and you write this in notes also. Okay, here also you write these full forms. Search in this lesson, second lesson, all full forms are there. PROM, EEPROM, CD-ROM, RAM, EPROM, DVD, and this is not MDD children, this is HDD. This is HDD, hard disk drive. DVD means digital video disc. You know, no? You search all these full forms from the textbook and write here, and write this same topic in notes also. Okay, and this storage devices we will see later. Here discussion time now I will see. Write this discussion time as the sixth question. Okay, in your notebook. Here 4 questions are there, no? This is fourth question, hearts is fifth question, and discussion time is sixth question. You write like this. A backup means making copies of existing data. Is it right? For example, if you have a folder of important documents stored on the hard disk of your laptop, you may want to have a copy of them on your pen drives, so that if in case of disaster like hard disk crashing, you don't lose your documents. Discuss with your partner what will data would both of you like to be backup. Which media should the backup be taken on? CD, DVDs, Blu-rays. Okay, you write this one. You write the sixth question and write these answers. Okay children. So this is the notes. Now I will explain once again how to write these notes. First put heading to memory, lesson 2 memory. After that write this multiple choice question and answers. Write fill in the blanks. Next write question and answers. These are not 4, 5 and discussion time 6. Okay. Write these 6 question and answers. Next write this activity time and write these full forms in textbook and notebook also. Okay, finished. This is the writing notes of in this way you write the notes. Okay children, write your notes as early as possible. For next week you should complete this notes. Okay, now I am closing this class. We will meet in next class. In next class we will see the third lesson, that is formatting in MS Word. Okay children, till then take care. Bye bye.